What's up, weirdos? With utter turmoil and destruction and devastation in the markets, Zebec making more partnership announcements. We're going to get into it, guys. We got bullish news. I did a ton of DCAing today. I put my buy alerts over on the Patreon, so everybody knows what I was scooping up. If you want to know what I'm doing in real time, guys, you got to be part of the 10% club. The link is down below in the description. Let's get into it. Let's see what's going on out there. Jasmine down 2.8 on the day, 12 on the week, up 16.7 on the month, but down 48.8 on the year, up 3 spots in rank, however, to 4 spots in rank to 97, a $720 million market cap, 47 million in volume. Swift Coin down 3.5 on the day, 6 on the week, up 1.1 on the month, and 181 on the year. We are down 2 spots in rank to 335, $107 million market cap, 1.17 million in volume. XCN down 5% on the day, 8.5 on the week, 4.8 on the month, but up 839% on the year. Down 1 spot in rank to 126, $485 million market cap, 28 million in volume. And Zebec, there it is, down 7.5 on the day, up 22.5 on the week, 43.5 on the month, and 330 on the year. We're even in rank at 135, a $417 million market cap, 38 million in volume. Devastation, except for Plume and Forda, apparently. And Stronghold still holding up. Stronghold, get it? See what I did there? Anyway, please don't hang up on me. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart, see what's going on out there. Bitcoin collapses below the 30-day SMA. We've gotten as low as $113,156, guys. We have most definitely filled the CME gap that we had yet not filled. Some people speculated that this was going to be good enough, but apparently it wasn't. So CME gap has officially been filled. That's good. I do, however, feel like because we did this straight shot up on Bitcoin, I do think we could see the rest of the move. We're probably going to retest this level here, which was the initial breakout of consolidation between May and July, which felt like way longer than that. But that accumulation phase back here, we broke out. But as you can see, we did not come back and retest it for support. And I had speculated at that time that that was not a good thing. We usually like to see a bit of a, a pullback down, a retest of that old resistance and confirming the breakout before a move to the upside. And we did not do that. So I would not be surprised to see us fulfill it right now, come down, retest this, bounce off, springboard back to the upside. That's kind of what I'm watching for here on Bitcoin. We may consolidate, though. We may consolidate down here for a little bit, ride this out for a little bit. But I don't really think we're going too much lower. It's possible, but $111,708 would be my lowest at this point in time for a retest of the breakout before continuation to the upside. So, guys, don't get fooled by this. Do not get fooled by this. Things are about to go parabolic. I know it doesn't feel like it right now, but the market is designed to make you feel that way, okay? Listen, usually when we're starting to see all this bad news come out, August 1st, tariffs, blah, 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 we're seeing all this stuff kind of come out, it usually signals a bottom, okay? So if we're not bottomed yet, I think we're pretty close. Like I said, we could come down to that 111 to retest that old breakout level, but with all the macro news going around right now being bearish, do not be surprised. That stuff usually does signal a local bottom. So, and then if you'll notice up here at this top, we had all kinds of bullish news coming out, right? From the White House and all that stuff. We had all kinds of bullish news, and it signaled the top. Same thing. We're having bearish news right now, and it's signaling a bottom down here, in my opinion. So, do not be fooled, guys. Do not be dismayed. I personally did a lot of DCAing today. You're not fooling me. Don't piss on my leg and tell me it's raining. I've been around for multiple cycles. I know exactly what's going on, and I got the fries that'll cross your eyes, my friends. Cannot shake me out. Let's get into some of the Zebec news, see what's going on. But first, as always, a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. You can swap on here, take profits on here. You can even stake either your crypto or your stablecoin through the bear market to gain APY and make your money work for you guys. Keep your crypto safe, keep it off of exchanges and in your own self custody. And if you use our link and the coupon code future20 off right now, before you only have 4 days left, you will get $20 off your Decent wallet plus a free Zebec airdrop. Do you love Zebec? Of course you do. This is a Zebec video. You wouldn't be here watching if you didn't love Zebec. So why not go one step further and get your free Zebec airdrop? Again, use the coupon code down in the description, future20 off. Get your free Decent, your $20 off your Decent and your free Zebec airdrop. All right, let's get into it, man. Zebec with another new partnership. We're going to get into it here. Zebec Network partners with Archax, a Mika white paper on Mika white paper and ESG data service. Zebec is a leading crypto company powering real-world value flows with blockchain-based payroll cards and payment solutions for both traditional and digital economies. Archax have supported the regulatory side of their journey with our end-to-end experience of Mika in 2023/114. The regulatory service we provided included issuer exchange seeking admission to trade, Article 5, compliant Mika white paper drafting, Article 6, notification to regulator, Article 8, and publication of white paper, Article 9. All in crypto, by the way. Quick shout outs. Commenting fire, right? He likes it, guys. If you don't know, All in Crypto, very, very big YouTube channel. 30.2K followers also over on X. So you might be asking, why should you care about this partnership? Well, let's get into this first. From Angelica Saldana. She says, Archax provides access to ABRDN money market funds on where? The XRP ledger. Yes, the connections between Ripple, XRP continue and Zebec continue to deepen. The fund compromises part of the ABRDN's $3.8 billion liquidity fund and represents the first tokenized money market fund on the XRP ledger. But to clear that up a little more, you might be asking, well, what is Archax? Well, briefly, it is a London-based FCA-regulated digital asset exchange, brokerage, and custodian. Founded in 2018, it facilitates trading, custody, and tokenization of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and tokenized real-world assets like bonds and funds, bridging blockchain and traditional finance for institutional investors. And they just partnered with Zebec. You love to see it, my friends. You love to see it. Guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, times like this can be tumultuous, right? It can be very, very difficult to navigate. You're probably emotional. You probably don't know what's going on. There is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help navigate you through this space. My friends, if I sat down beside you right now and said, if you buy me a cup of coffee every day, I will teach you how to navigate this space, and I will teach you how to make true generational, life-changing wealth for yourself. Would you buy me a cup of coffee every day? You'd be insane not to, right? Well, that is the offer I am putting on the table to you, my friends. Join the 10% club today. The link is down in the description down below. Join the Patreon. It's less than a cup of coffee a day, my friends, and you will learn how this space works. You will learn how to structure a portfolio properly. You will learn about DCAing. You will learn about technical analysis. You will learn everything you need to know. You will be equipped with the tools you need to succeed in this space Only 10% of people in crypto actually truly make life-changing wealth for themselves, my friends. Join the 10% today. Do not be part of the 90% that gets left behind. We're live every day. You can book one-on-one coaching calls, microcap gems, swing trade opportunities, and so much more. Help me help you. Again, for less than a cup of coffee a day, my friends, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.